Very good morning to everyone. In a previous class, we have seen how to describe the point on the blackboard, then how to describe the point on the plain page. Now, even we have seen what is the x-axis and the y-axis. I told already the distance from the x coordinate is called as the y coordinate, and the distance from the y-axis is called as the x coordinate. Now today we'll see about the coordinate points of exercise number 3.1. See what the given question, how will you describe the position of the table lamp on your study table to answer. Now see that on the study table either a lamp is there, means how to describe, like a blackboard I have given you an example. Now same you have to describe, then how will you describe the position of the table on the study table. Now see one diagram I will show here. Yes. Now see the table here. I draw the one table here. I given the point that is a meter. I given 4 meter and the 2 meter. Now just the table lamp is 4 feet, or you can take that 4 meter. 4 feet from the sitting side of the desk. Now like a x-axis and the y-axis. Now it is the table lamp is 4 feet from the sitting side of the desk, and 3 feet, not 3 meter, you have to take the 3 feet from its right edge of the, we can write the position. Now so we can write the position of the lamp is, it means that x-axis and the y-axis how much is there, 4 meter and the 3 meter, or not 4 meter, 4 feet and the 3 feet. So how can you write the position of that lamp is 4 comma 3 here. Now see the similar second question. Yes. Now second question is little lengthy. You have to see the carefully see what they given. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of city. Now see a city having the two crossroads like a x-axis and the y-axis. It is crossed to each other. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. Now one is vertical and the one is the horizontal, and the shape of the that crossroads here. Now see the continue that question here what they given. All the other streets of the city are parallel to the roads and are 2 meter apart. Now see that all other roads or other short streets are crossing the parallel to the given roads, that is the x-axis and the y-axis. Now they given 200 meters apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. How many streets are there? 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. Then draw the model of the city on your notebooks. You have to draw the one model of the roads. Then represent the roads street by the single lines. Now next they given, there are many cross streets is your model. A particular cross street in a make by the 2 streets. It is a cross sections are there. Then each cross street. Yes. Now see the continue question what they given. One are running in the north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. Now each cross street is referred to the following manner. If the second street running in the direction south direction and the fifth in the east-west direction. At once, at some crossing, then we will call this cross street 2 for you. Using this conversion, find. See what they given. There are 2 questions are there. Find. First one is, how many cross street can be referred to as a 3-4 street? Now see by how many using the way you can refer the this coordinate, that is 4 and 3, and second one is how many cross street can be referred to the 3 and 4 here. See now, by using these coordinates, how many ways are there to refer the this one you have to find here. Now see that by drawing the rough diagram of the given direction, you have to show that how many positions are there to can show that. Now see that one picture I will give here.